Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have a little RV trailer. It's 2002, so it's over 20 years old, and the issue we got with the trailer was that on a walking path in, as well as where that table used to sit, the floor was really soft. So when you walk, you could feel that it's soft under your feet. As well, the most discomfort was when something was on the table, it was shaking, it was falling over. So obviously one option is to redo all the floor, which would be probably a few days or a week of work to remove all the vinyl. So I think there are like aluminum braces going from side to side. You would replace the plywood. Unfortunately, we are in the middle of the summer. I don't have that time to do that, and I don't know even if I want to do that, because it's a huge job to remove all the appliances and all the benches and everything around. So I will show you a quick workaround. Alright, so we are under the trailer and this is the floor. And basically what I've done, I added those cross members 1, 2 and 3, so they go from side to side. Used angle iron, welded it. It doesn't need to be super strong, all it's supporting is your weight. So now, as you saw, the floor is quite solid. This would add maybe, I don't know, less than 20 pounds of weight to the trailer, which is nothing. Also, get this measure cut, primed, painted, welded. I still need to weld the metal piece, paint the metal pieces. This all has been done before noon, before lunchtime, so within 4 hours you can fully complete this job. One thing you want to be careful about is the power and gas line, so you don't have to notch it off those 2x4s. How I did it, I used the floor jack, push them up, weld those angle irons. That's pretty much it. Okay, so once again, there used to be like an inch of movement on this floor. Now there is 0. Also, what those cross members allow you to do, you can put 2x4s in the middle if you need, if your floor is even worse. But at this point I'm quite happy what happened, and if I have time in the future to redo all the floor, I might, but most likely not, because the floor is solid now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.